Good morning, everyone. We are the students of RMD Engineering College from ECE department. We have taken mini project from linear integrated circuits. Subject code is EC8453. Our project title is Dark Detector Circuit using LDR and IC555 timer. Our project mentor is Mrs. G. Brinishekar, Assistant Professor of ECE in RMD Engineering College. Myself, K. Srilakshmi, and my team members are K. Varshita and K. Sai Hasini. Here we are going to discuss about introduction of our project, components required, software used for simulation, working, applications, and finally its conclusion. This is about introduction of our project. Dark detector circuit is used to detect the darkness or absence of light in any area. It can be used in the area where it is usually dark. In this project, we have implemented a simple darkness detector circuit using LDR. In addition to the LDR, we have also used 555 timer IC in a stable mode. This can be used in many applications where we can automatically turn on lights when it becomes dark. These are the components required: breadboard, connecting wires, 9-volt battery for the supply, 555 timer IC, capacitors of 100 microfarad and 0.1 microfarad, resistors of 47 kilo ohm and 4.7 kilo ohm, and a light dependent resistor. This is about IC555 timer. It is one of the most flexible linear integrated circuits. This is a monolithic timing circuit which is capable of generating a precise and extremely stable time delay. This is available in an 8-pin dual inline package and 14-pin dual inline package, and it comprises of 2 diodes, 25 transistors and 16 resistors. The 555 timer IC used in this project is in its a stable multi-vibrator mode of operation. This is about light dependent resistor. The resistor is used to sense the light. These devices are normally used when there is a need to sense the presence and absence of light is necessary. The main applications of this LDR is alarm clocks, street lights, and light meters.
Now let us see the software used in this project. The software used in this project is Electronic Simulator Proteus 8.11 version. It is a software tool suite used primarily for electronic design automation. The software is used mainly by electronic design engineers and technicians to create schematics and electronic prints for manufacturing printed circuit boards. Now let us see the working of the dark detector. First, we'll start with the 555 timer. It is configured in a stable mode, but the reset pin is controlled by the LDR and resistor network. When there is ample light around the LDR, its resistance becomes very low. When the darkness falls on the LDR, the resistance of the LDR increases. This increase of resistance in the second branch of voltage divider will be enough to change the ratio of voltage sharing between the two branches of voltage divider section. If once this happens, the potential at the junction of the voltage divider circuit rises from 0 volts to 2 volts. Similar to it, the voltage at the reset pin rises. When we block the LDR with an obstacle or hand, the light falling on it will decrease. The resistance of the LDR will increase. This will pull up the reset pin and the upstable mode will be activated. The rise of voltage will be enough to lift the 555 IC from reset mode. Once this reset mode is lifted, the timer generates square wave output. Since we connected a small buzzer to the output pin of the 555 timer IC, the buzzer will be activated. Hence, when there is enough light on the LDR, the buzzer will be off, and when it is dark, the buzzer will be activated. The square wave generated by the timer triggers the LDR to glow. Now we will see the hardware setup of our project. Here we will use battery, breadboard, some connecting wires, IC555 timer, buzzer, 3 capacitors and 2 resistors. In dark or in absence of light, LDR exhibits a resistance in the range of mega ohms, which decreases to few hundred ohms in the presence of bright light. This phenomenon can be measured with the help of multimeter by keeping the multimeter in ohm or resistor measurement region. When you cover the LDR, its resistance will be very high, and when you place it in light, it starts decreasing. We are utilizing this project of LDR to act as a sensor, since a varying voltage drop can be obtained with varying light. In this circuit, amount of light will vary as the shadow of the visitor falls on LDR.
The circuit that was shown is a dark detector. When a light is on, let me explain the complete connection of the circuit diagram. The pin 2 is connected to torch LDR, and torch LDR is connected to a 9-volt battery, which is a power supply, and pin 5 to a capacitor of 0.1 microfarad, and LDR is connected to 4.7 kilo ohm resistor, and pin 1 is grounded, and pin 6 is connected to another capacitor of 100 microfarad, and pin 7 to 47 kilo ohm resistor, and output pin 3 to a buzzer. When the torch light on starts to move near to the LDR, the intensity of light decreases so that buzzer does not make any sound, and we get a blue spot near an output pin and near the buzzer. This is the simulation output when the torch light is on. Now let us see when the simulation output when the torch light is off. When the torch light does not fall on the LDR, the LDR makes a sound through a buzzer because the intensity of light is increased. We can see the red spot near the output pin 3 and the buzzer when light is in the off state. We have many applications related to that detector. They are automatic street light control, automatic intensity control of street lights, automatic light control system in industry. It can function as an emergency lamp in home and office setups, and protection against no light for security system based projects and many others. Severe and as an emergency backup in security systems and industrial sites. It can also be used in study rooms and workplaces in order to avoid sudden power failures. Future work for the dark detector is infrared technology. Warm-blooded animals, including humans, emit heat which can be seen as an infrared light. Infrared sensors can detect the human movement. Let me conclude the dye detector by few points. That is, we can conserve the electricity. It can be used anywhere without any human intervention. With this system, no need of manually controlling lights in a room. We can automatically turn off and turn on the lights in a room very easily. This circuit can be a part of a bigger circuits or a projects like home automation or home security systems. In coming days, this will prove a great boon to the world since it will save a lot of electricity of power plants that will be wasted and illuminated to that can be illuminated to the street lights. As a conventional sources are depleting very fast, then it's time to think of alternatives, which is like a dye detector. It will save our nature and protects the environment. Thank you.
Thank you.